But you know what?
But tumesema hata kama tumechoka tuwape episode.
Nyinyi ndio mlisema. I tried convincing Juliana to shoot. We just relax. Juliana akakona. I have my people. I am growing a community, and these people wako na expectation fulani kwa hii YouTube channel. We have to.
Yeah, we have to meet your expectations.
Whatever the lady wants,
the lady gets.
Yeah. So, yeah, this is a episode.
Hey, let me choke.
Anyway, what are your expectations?
To have fun. Like honestly, to relax.
To relax.
That is the main reason.
Relax, unwind, think of I don't know. I think
strategies.
One thing that I love about your YouTube channel, how ndo usema alafu kitu wanasema tunawapea.
Guys, able to pay ideas za kapa.
Commentini hapo chini because personally sisi wawili tuko nazo. It's not like atunanga.
Yeah.
But we treasure you guys. We treasure you guys to an extent that we want each channel who feel part and parcel.
Yeah.
We feel like the idea
my
that
opinion
they
matters.
ndio walifanya leo, unaelewa? So your opinion matters. So tell us hapo chini which ideas mnaweza taka kuona za unataka kufaint. Guys, Georgiana amechoka.
Nah, funny thing, guys, acha niwaambie kitu. I have tried not even tried. I think we've been busy. I have not even been having breakfast. Mimi mwenye wana value. Hey!
Amekuwa akiniambia and she was really proud of herself. Imagine sikunywi breakfast. Imagine sikunywi.
But sasa inasikia kichwa. Si nikwambia like hebu shika. Like kama if I'm whenever I'm hungry. Nasikia kichwa inaniuma.
So do nataka relax sana.
We've ordered food. So what we're going to do is
I don't really think hiyo kukula itakuwa part of the episode.
No.
Tukule and then we find tujue vile tuta rest and then we can probably if energy itakuwa imerudi tunaweza fanya episode nyingine jioni.
Yeah, pray for us guys. Energy imerudi. Then we will.
Sindio? But good vibes, guys. Meet Georgiana.
Ingine.
Kuna mtu amenicall. Wewe wacha kucall.
Family time.
Georgiana amekuwa akipenda kusema hiyo kitu hata time tuko friends. Like tukipiga story and then msaya call. Msaya. Show ni nani family time?
It's family time.
Anyway, good vibes. Sindio Georgiana?
Yeah.
At least unaelewa, sindio? Najua mafanzo watatuingililia.
I know.